Hello and welcome to the Couch to 10K course. My name is Dr. Aaron Von Lindern. Feel free to call me Dr. Von Lindern or Aaron, whichever you feel most comfortable with. The purpose of this video is to take you through our course Blackboard shell. And so when you go to our course Blackboard, you'll notice it will land on the announcements page. The announcements page contains just our announcements that will go out every week for you guys. Where you spend the most of your time is going to be in this weekly assignments folder. So when you go into your weekly assignments, it'll take you to our weekly assignments module. So right now, you'll see the week 1 assignment module. When we go to next week, you'll see that the week 2 will pile on top of here. But when you come into the module, what you'll see is what is going to be expected for the class for the week. So this is a list of all the things you'll be doing this week. And then it'll also show you when things are due and what our due assignments are and our due dates and due times are for this course. So if you go into the assignment module, you'll notice that you have this table of contents that it will walk you through all of the different things that were listed on the front there. You can skip through this way, or you can hit this button over here that'll take you through page by page. Um, Over here, we have this group run board. I put this up in case any of you guys would like to try to get a running group together. If you would like to try to organize something, you can go into this group run board and then edit this wiki and put your name, when you're available, and your location, and hopefully we can pair some folks up that live close to each other. Maybe you can get a running day out there. I'll add my information to this as well. I'd be happy to come out and run with you guys once a week or once every other week, whatever works best for you guys. So this is not, we don't have to do this, but it's something that if you'd like to have a little bit of a running group, we can try to organize one throughout the class. The next tab down here is our syllabus and schedule. Within our syllabus and schedule stuff over here, you'll see that a link to the course syllabus. You can make it bigger here, or you can download the document here. And we have the schedule as well. The course syllabus, if you click on it here, it will come up and it'll have a lot of different information in here for you. So make sure you read through, and your first assignment is to read through the syllabus and affirm that you understand what's going on in here. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to go through anything with you to make sure that we're all on the same page and we all understand what our responsibilities are for this course. So in here you can see the description of the course. The schedule is a separate document that we'll look at here in a second. Shows my instructor availability, our course learning outcomes, so what you're going to be able to take away from this course, how you're going to be assessed. So we're going to have some run tests. We're going to have some weekly running logs. So we're going to log our different runs that we're going to be doing as you go through. There'll be some assignments, and then at the end there'll be a recap paper as well. This is a pass, no pass course. So in order to pass, you have to have a 70 or above. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And in our in the My Grades, it'll have a column that'll say if you're passing or not passing at any moment in time. As long as you're doing the runs and keeping up with everything, you should be fine. So as you can see, the weekly run logs are worth 60% of your grade. So the significant portion of this is the work you're putting in on working towards that 10K goal of yours. And then the other stuff falls out as this. We have what's called weighted grades here, so that you can see how much weight each of these different assignment groupings takes of your grade. There's no textbook. Just make sure you're using good running gear and you're staying warm and comfortable out there early on. The toughest part of the class being in the spring is the first month or so is a little bit rough. It's cold out there, but if you can get through it, we get to end in some really nice weather there in April and May. So it's kind of the flip in the fall. When we do it in the fall, it's really nice early on. You kind of have to deal with some smoke a little bit, and then it gets colder towards the end. Here it's a little bit of a different flip, except we don't have to deal with the smoke, which is nice. I think taking it in the spring is a little bit better for this schedule than taking it in the fall, actually. But yeah, here's your course expectations, and then a bunch of other stuff that you can read through as well. So again, if you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out. And then once you've read through this and understand everything here, you'll complete the syllabus quiz saying that you affirm that you understand the syllabus. The other thing in here is our schedule. We click on our schedule there, and you can see what you'll be doing throughout each of the different weeks. Um, so you can see when there's training programs, when there's an assignment. A few of the weeks there's going to be some different assignments that will be helpful as you move along and work your way into this running program. Um, you'll notice that spring break kind of hits right in the middle of here. Within spring break, we'll talk about a little bit more when we get there, but spring break, you can either take a break and not run that week, or I can give you a little hybrid program to keep you, you know, keep you within your program so you don't miss that week as well. Because if you do take a break during spring break, you'll notice that week 10 here will be a little bit tough to get back into the swing of things. But it's up to you what you want to do. Just let me know and I'll offer an optional spring break workout as well. All right. Continuing on, in the faculty information button here, you can find a button to email me. You can also find some information about not on my email, but phone. So you notice I've got an office phone and a cell phone. I can receive text to the cell phone. So if you prefer to text, you can text to that cell phone. No big deal. My office location, and then my Zoom office. For the time being, we'll be doing our office hours through Zoom. And so if you want to meet during office hours, you can find me in the Zoom. If you want to meet at a time outside of this time, we can totally set that up. We can set up an appointment. Just let me know some of your availability, and we can find a time that works for you if we need to meet. And again, I'm happy to meet through Zoom, or I'm also happy to meet at the office too if that works better for you. And then also a little blurb about my bio and stuff like that. Um, and then finally, if you go into your My Grades, this is where you can keep track of all of the grades that come in. You'll get a weighted total, which is what we're paying most attention to, and then there should be a pass no pass group up here, which I'll get up there if it's not showing for you right now. The other thing that be of interest to you as well is this area down here will show you what your grade is in each of those little subcategories. So if, you can see where things are fitting in that weighted grade scheme. So that is it. I look forward to working with you guys throughout the semester. I hope you guys enjoy the running program. We really won't begin our running program. We'll be doing some testing this week, and we'll be beginning our running program really next week. We'll be doing what's called a run-walk type of program, and you guys will read about that in the assignments this week. So enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to reach out if you have questions or want some help with what's going on. Thank you.